Pfaff Creative 4.5 sewing machine has a feature that will let me know when my bobbin is low. Now let me show you a trick on this as well. When you take a look at a bobbin, you notice there's kind of this top ridge part. Sometimes when you look down in your bobbin, it looks like there's still thread on the machine. When you start to wind this bobbin, it fills that top ridge first and then jumps down below and fills it. The sensor actually goes or shoots through the bottom part. So the bottom part, once it's out of thread, that's when the message comes up. Now, if you know you have enough thread to probably finish the row of stitching that you're on, just leave this message on screen and keep sewing. You'll be able to go as long as you want until you want to actually put a new bobbin in. Now, if you are noticing that there's a lot of thread left on your bobbin when that message goes out, there is a trick. When you're filling your bobbin, you can start to fill it, but instead of letting it fill completely all the way through the ridge, if you just move the thread down and let it jump down to the bottom part and fill that, there's less at the top. I've kind of gotten to a point where I can actually have about this much thread left on the top when that sensor goes off. And that's really more important when you get to embroidery, because you know it's time to, you get to go all the way to the end. You pull your bobbin out, there's one little thread, and you put a new one in. It really doesn't matter where you start and stop with embroidery. Now with your sewing, if you know you have that extra little bit, that's great, but this amount of thread can actually go quite a ways when getting through some decorative stitches or some top stitching if you hadn't checked before you started and made sure you had enough thread to get you all the way through that line that you're stitching. So just kind of keep in mind two things. If you want to sew without this keep popping up, leave it on screen. Don't touch the check mark, because as soon as you do that and start to sew again, it'll keep popping up. So leave it on your screen, sew until you're ready to change your bobbin, and try out that little trick about filling the ridge just a little bit, helping the machine by touching that thread down and letting it fill down below first.